Hello everyone and welcome back to the Paul Mitchell YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I created this really simple 3-strand braid. So step 1, I'm going to go in with my Neuro Protect thermal heat protectant. This is just going to protect my strands before I begin to style. And then I'm going to be using my Neuro Angle curling wand, which is just going to create some loose waves to help with thickness to my braid. And as you can see, I'm just taking large sections of my ponytail, wrapping the hair around the barrel, allowing it to cool in the palm of my hand, and then I release, and then it gives me just a really perfect, cute, loose wave. Now I'm just going to take my paddle brush and brush out those waves just to make sure that everything is really seamless before I begin to continue with the rest of my style. And then I'm just going to take 3 large sections. As I mentioned, this is just a very classic 3-strand braid, and then I will begin to braid. So now I'm going to secure the braid in place with a hair tie, and then as you see, I'm just going to start pulling out the braid, which is just going to give it a bit of a thicker appearance and a little bit of an undone look, which I love for this hairstyle. And there you have it, just a very classic 3-strand braid with my bangs in front. I really hope that you all enjoyed the tutorial. Bye guys!